Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can send SMS through the deals module or any other module like leads and contacts, and if a meeting is booked or during the date and time of the meeting. So in this case, I'm in the opportunities module, and in here, this is a demo system. So we have a lot of automations here, and one of those are the following fields. So we added the fields here that will copy the meeting details from the meetings module directly into these fields. And as you can see, we have a meeting from and meeting to field, which is a date and time field. And those date and time fields is what we can use as a trigger to send SMS using a workflow. Now in here, I have created a sample workflow where it will be triggered based on a date time field, and it's based on the meeting from. So on the same date and time field, I will send the SMS. So in here, you can add some more conditions if you'd like. So you can choose any field and then add the condition there. For the sake of this demo, I'll just do it for all opportunities. Now, in the instant action, once you have installed our extension, you'll automatically have this instant action RingCentral SMS. Once you click that, you'll just select the correct from number. In this case, I only have one. Then select the template, or you can even write your own message. So in this case, you can also type a hashtag or pound to look up any of the fields available into your deals module or what module you are in. Okay, so in this case, I'll just close this one since I already associated an existing SMS. We go back to the opportunity, and let me just clear out the following fields. Host. Now in here, I will run through the blueprint in order for me to create a meeting. So meeting type is on site. So this can be anything, no matter how are you creating a meeting, just as long as you have a field there and a custom function running in the background that will automatically paste the meeting date and time into the opportunities module, this should work. So if you have your own developer, you can ask your developer to, whenever a meeting is created, that the associated deal will also be updated. So book on-site consultation meeting. Now let's say I'm naming here Nelvin consultation. And then in here, I will select the date and time right now so that we'll be able to see the SMS getting sent. So the host, chef, Zoom, description, Zoom meeting. These are some of our automation fields. We can create that. And then if we scroll down, the following fields were automatically updated. Now, the workflow is based on the meeting from date field. So we can wait for a minute, then see if it will send an SMS. You see here as well, open activities. The meeting was created here. Okay, so let's just wait for a minute in order to see it appear in our custom widget called ABR Ring Central SMS. Whenever you are doing the workflow integrations as well, make sure that you have the formatted phone and mobile numbers populated. If it's in the deals, you need to make sure that the contact associated has the correct formatted phone and mobile number. So it is advisable to always use the default fields, just like this one. And then you'll have a section or a field for the formatted fields. So whenever there is an update in the default phone and mobile field, it will automatically update this field as well. And whenever a new contact is created or a new lead is created, this field will also automatically be populated. So that's all running in the background together with our extension. So let's now check this workflow if it run for this opportunity. Ring Central SMS. It doesn't show here right now, but I think I know the issue. It's because of the time zone. So it's 10:08 a.m., not p.m. So let's just update this date field and change this to 10 a.m. That should be 12. Okay, let's wait for another minute. Okay, I received a notification from the Zoho CRM bot. New meeting. Let's try to refresh. Okay, so now we can see the SMS history is 1. If we check the widget, we now have the SMS sent. So that's all correct. If we go back to the workflow, just refresh the workflow, and now we can see when clicking on view usage 1, API call was made. So the workflow ran accordingly. So again, if you don't have any developer that can add a custom code that will automatically populate fields in the opportunities module or any other module, standard modules, just let us know. We can quote you or provide you an estimate on how much time it will take, and then we can go from there. So this is how we can use SMS for meetings and any other date and time. Thank you.